never been a fan of wide angle lens until I stumbled upon the Sigma 16 to 28 f2.8, and yo, the quality that I get from this lens is amazing. I used this lens recently on a shoot for Jamaica Tourist Board and some other projects, and I'm like, yo, the quality that I get from it is just so nice. When I pair it with this variable ND filter from Canon, I get some nice colors from it, like nice colors, because like it is so wide, you can get everything in, you know, in the frame that you want. 16 is super wide, especially when you shoot at, you know, 4K 24 or 4K 30. It's super wide. Like, it's good for vlogging, because I was using it for quite a few vlogs before I can actually come on here and talk about it. And as I said, I've never been a fan of a wide angle lens, because I always love, the widest lens that I love was the 20, but I never really use it that much, only unless I do a vlog or so. But when I stumbled upon the 16, I'm like, let me test it out. And because it has the internal zoom, you know that some zoom lens, the barrel itself extends, but this doesn't extend, and it's really lightweight. And you know, it just has this one switch right here for manual and autofocus. I love that. Yo, ooh, that's sounds really nice. It's so smooth. So smooth. Yo, Sigma really outdone themselves, I swear. Yo, and I really love Sigma glasses because, like, currently right now I'm shooting on a 35 at 1.4 and the focus is picking me up pretty good. So as it relates to shooting with this lens, there's some good thing about it and there's some bad thing about it. Okay, so when you're shooting with this lens, it's you get a lot of vignette because of how wide it is. So like the edges are going to be like slightly dark, but you know, you can fix that in post and stuff like that. But you don't want to get anybody close to the edge of these type of, with these wide angle lens or any wide angle lens, because like when you go too close to the edge, the person's face starts to distort, you know, any. You still have to just keep it like in frame. So that's why when I'm shooting with the lens, I actually have a grid where I can see, okay, I can't go too far, I can't go, okay, and then frame it up properly so you know that I don't get the distortion. But when I'm shooting with the Sony A7IV, like, I don't know, this lens really works for me. The price is, well, at the time I got this lens for like $8.99. I don't know what the price is like now. I'll just put it up on the screen. The autofocus, let's say the autofocus is really good. So let me swap lens right now and show you guys how wide it looks in this space. It's gonna be pretty wide. This is really wide. I told you guys, like, this lens is super wide. Like, you can see everything, the imperfection of the space, the curtain, the AC, and all the works, yo. But right now I can see that that box is all over my eye right now. It's actually focusing pretty fast. So as I was saying about the edges with wide angle lens, you don't want to put your hands or have anything in the edge, or unless it's intentional, you know. Look at it, like it just makes my hand look like elongated. But let's look at the different, you know, focal length. This is 18. 18. Okay. Let's switch to 20. This is 20. Still get that, you know, that warping in the corners. Okay. This is 22. The box is coming in a little bit smaller. Okay. This is 24. Yo, it's still wide. Yo, it's still wide. It's crazy. Okay, and this is 28, still wide, and currently I'm shooting at 4K 24. So let's switch to the 4K 60 and see what it looks like. Now this is at 4K 60 at its like widest, like 4K 60 at 16, like yeah. I don't really see, like, you know, a major crop. Let's go at 28 and see what it looks like. So this is at 28. This ain't so bad. Okay, yeah. Still wide enough at 28. Still wide enough. Yeah, I really like this lens. But let me switch back to my Sigma Art 35 1.4. So if you shoot a Sony A7IV, please don't worry about the crop factor. Like, come on. Like, if you're having an issue, just step back or go forward, or just get a wider lens. This is the solution for, you know, all that 4K 60 issue. Yeah. So like, comment, and subscribe if you want more videos like these. Peace.